Alright, let's get into this makeup routine. So I'm gonna start out with my brows. I just like to do that first. I'm going in with this brow pomade. Links will be down below to these products. And I just fill in my brows. That's pretty much it. I don't do anything special. I just go along my regular arch. And after this, I just literally go around them and just carve them out. But I just follow the line of my arch. I don't like draw new eyebrows or draw over like my regular type arch. And all I'm doing is just using this LA Pro Conceal. It's super cheap. I think it's like $2 or $3. Like I said, the links will be down below for all these products. I do have to mix all of my foundations. Like, I don't not have a foundation that matches me. Even the Fenty Beauty doesn't match me, so I'm mixing these two foundations together. It's the Smashbox and I think that's Maybelline, and I'm just mixing it together. I've just always had to do this. Like, most people are like, girl, they'll have your shade. No. So I just put this on. It depends on what kind of day I'm having, if I go heavy with it or not. Both of them are full coverage foundations. So this is just some concealer. I have some Fenty concealer, and also I can't think of the other kind, but I have these two. I use the Fenty sometimes, but it's a bit too heavy for me, like way too heavy. So the other concealer that you guys saw is what I mostly use. So to set my face, I go in with this Sacha Buttercup powder. This has always been my favorite powder. I just haven't found anything that replaces it. They do have different shades. So if this is too yellow for you, they have like a darker shade and also a lighter shade. So after I kind of set my face or bake or whatever you want to call it, I just go in with some of this L'Oreal True Match in the color Neutral, and I use it as a translucent powder all over my face. Alright, so that just sets my makeup. I can't find a skin tone powder, so I just use that to set it, and it works out pretty well. It doesn't come out too light either. So then I go in with this Master Chrome, and I'm going to highlight a little bit. I mean, I don't add a lot because I don't like to glow like a penny. You guys know me. I don't want that dramatic, drastic look. Even when I add highlight, I go over with like some little bronzer to tone it down a bit. And I'm going in with this NARS bronzer in Casino. And I'm just bronzing my face. This makeup look is a bit heavier than what I would usually do, but yeah, I was just a little heavy-handed on the foundation. But I just go in with my bronzer, and I'm very heavy-handed with bronzer because I just like that type of look. And after this, you want to always go in and set your makeup. I like using the Smashbox, but the e.l.f. is like a complete dupe for that. So now I'm going to lips. I use a $1 lip liner from NYX. I have this old MAC nude lipstick. I don't even know what the color is, but I use that. And also I have this Morphe nude lip gloss that I put on top. So, and I have this is just a combo that I picked out. There's some other stuff that I use sometimes also, but I like this combo. And honey, that is it. Like, I don't be using all these 50 million different things. As you can see, I'm done. Links to lashes will be down below, honey. So yeah, that's pretty much it.